back, my friends. I hope everyone's doing just fine. On this finally less than 100-degree day, we are going to explore Icon FJ40 number 171. This truck is built in the new school style. Specifically, it's what we call the Roadster, which is a fairly recent addition to the Icon lineup. And basically, picture your favorite trail shoes or flip-flops. So super simple, sling them on and go have some fun. This is the automotive equivalent of that. A little bit of the spirit that was in our Icon CJ3Bs that we discontinued several years ago. They're lightweight, stripped down, super simple, and pretty much ranch ready and beach bound. So, Mayan Sun build color, great color, definitely an opinion color, my humble opinion, a great color, especially with new school with all the black offsets, just pairs really nicely. Of course, we are running our Icon forged aluminum 18-inch new school wheels with the floating rear center caps. We are running Yoko Geo tires because BF Goodrich just can't keep up right now, especially on the muds. So it is what it is. It's still a really nice tire, a little bit louder than the BFGs, but a good tire nonetheless. We're running the LS3 with the Vortec Truck Series FIAD intake and injectors. We're putting out about 430-ish horsey torque. Great motor, love it. Fortunately, especially in a Roadster, manual tranny, Ace & Warner AX15 5-speed. That in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly part-time 4-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case. I didn't get it in one breath that time. We have Dana-based axles as always. However, this is the first, I believe, FJ to come out of our factory with the Curry-built ones. So these are powder-coated assemblies, 100% brand new down to the castings. And it's a Pro Rock high pinion in the rear, Dana 60 base, 44 front with fine spline axles and every feasible upgrade. In the center, you will find ARB locking differentials, front and rear, with a dedicated air compressor. And of course, we have the Icon Sport brakes developed in partnership with our buddies at Brembo. So 6-piston front caliper, 4-piston rear, with a dedicated parking brake mechanical caliper. We have the elevated audio with the Focal speakers, the K2s with separates, hidden amp and bass. We have reverse camera. This particular truck, again, because of supply chain interruptions, running the Alpine unit. Nice unit. Still preferred Pioneer we generally run. We got the sport suspension, so 2 rates of tunability. That's Fox Racing components with Eibach coils. You have tunable sway bars front and rear, and no more leaf springs. There's no way to communicate to you what a difference that makes in the ride quality. You'd really need some assometer time in a leaf sprung cruiser and an Icon coilover cruiser to really understand what a massive revolution that is. Standard for the Roadster. What makes a Roadster a Roadster? Well, no AC, simplified dash, heater in the seats, no physical blower heater. Doors are optional. Bikini top is standard. Special rear view mirrors, and that's it. So I mean, they're just like bareback in your favorite horse. They're just ready to go play. So much fun. Something about them just like incites you to be a rowdy driver and go jump over stuff, I suppose. Of course, the usual new school Icon layout and design details. So gauges, center clock, just lights and wiper knobs now due to the simplified content. and the glove box door. Those are all machined in 6061 billet and then powder coated in Icon's volcanic black finish. You've got the Icon front bull bar, rear bumper with the twin carriers and the hidden storage compartments. Chilowich textiles. This one, road steering, have no seats, bench seat, or jumps. This one did the side-facing jump seats. Icon sport pedals, fire extinguisher. We did a custom amp research step on the rear. So this Roadster selected the twin rear door setup, the bifold, and the principal one, the one you need to open up first, has a little hidden trigger that excites the amp research step, so makes getting in and out of the back a breeze. Soft top, of course, heat laminated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, so nice and rigid, no wind noise, no flapping. Yep. I think I have covered all of the key details. So now I will sign off. I will remind you to be kind to yourself and the other animals and humans that you interact with. Enjoy your lives, and hopefully I'll see you guys again next Friday. By the way, someone recently commented and appreciated the standardized release schedule, but said it would actually be more convenient if it was like a Saturday morning cartoons situation. What do you guys think? Would you mind, let's do a poll in the comments. Should I change it to Saturday? Should I leave it Friday at 5? Does it even matter? Who knows? Please subscribe. Any questions, ask them. Email us. Website, icon4x4.com. Instagram, icon4x4. Be well. See you on the next round.